I decided to just wear this balaclava from Achiou. They did send this to me to do a review. Really nice. It's a good material. It says it's washable. You can adjust more. You might say, well, why would you need this besides trying to rob somebody? Which don't do, please. I could have used this when I was in Colorado. We were going off-roading, all the dust and everything. This actually would have been perfect for it. And you can adjust as much as you need or uncover. Really comfortable. Actually, it's inexpensive. It's nothing crazy as far as material. It just comes in a little bag. Here's a little thing that you get in there. But actually, I'm pretty impressed. It's actually very comfortable. Now, I haven't worn it for hours, but it doesn't seem like it would be too hot. And of course, you can just adjust it if you need to let air in. So I don't know if you're looking for something to cover your face, you're going to go out on a bike or on the water, maybe you want some protection. This is pretty good. Like I said, you can adjust it really easily. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.